Hello, everybody. Good evening. Climb on in. Good evening, everybody. How is you? Hello, hello. You know what day it is here? It's Laba Day. Medyo recovering lang ako ng konti kasi nalasing ako kagabi. Nalasing ako sa birthday ng asawa ni Coco. Yeah, we were all at Coco's house last night celebrating her husband's 40th birthday. So, love my eye bags, guys. What do I do with my eye bags? Good evening, everybody. How is everybody doing? Ooh, what a day. I have a new technique pag umiinom ako. Hindi ko alam kung tama, pero feeling ko tama kasi it makes sense. I like to do things that make sense. So, when we get to 2000, I'll tell you guys my secret. Hello, Ina. Hello, Charmaine. Hello, Noemi. Hey, Paul. What's up, Paul? Kamusta? Asan si Miss B? Dapat siya maglaba. Ala, hindi niya gagawin yan, guys. Hindi niya gagawin yan. It's Monday na. It's 12:35. Yep, that's right. It is 12:35. Dami kang chips. Hindi ko na, alam mo, hindi ko na maalala yun. Hindi ko na maalala nung umalis kami doon. Oh, 2.3. Yeah, so, uy, thank you sa star, Sheng DL. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Magandang hapon. 2K na. Uy, 2.4 na nga. Yun. Yung secret ko pag lasing ako, it might sound gross or whatever, but you should try. Make sure you wash your hands. You go to the bathroom, okay? Wash your hands because you need clean hands for this. Sinusundot ko. So yung dila, di ba mahaba yung dila? Pinipindot ko yung dila para isuka. Kasi ayoko matulog na nandyan yung alak sa katawan ko. And I think that's why people get hangovers. Kasi pag yung alak nasa tiyan, it seeps, right? And it goes to your organs, your liver. It's poison, di ba? Poison siya. So I make sure that I get it out before I sleep. Para pag natulog ako, and then you hydrate, of course, water. I like to do with a little bit of salt. So that's what I do. And then you wake up and you don't have a hangover. Hi, sir, from Ivy, Alabang. Hello! Miss ko na kayo dyan sa Ivy. Yes. So ano guys, ano balita sa inyo? Gapan. That's Bulacan, no? Bulacan. We got people from Cavite. We have people from London and the UK. Oh my God, I want to go to the UK so bad. Oh man. Salamat sa nagla-like, sending thumbs up and heart. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Yeah, diba guys? You want to get it out of your system para hindi lalason sa mga organs mo. 'Di ba? Shout out to KKK Middle East Official. Grabe, may chapter kami sa Middle East. Man. Bawan, Batangas. Yeah, what's up, guys? Invite ko si Miss B. I think nasa labas pa si Miss B ngayon. So, yeah. Did you guys watch the Hong Kong vlogs? May part 1. Ooh, Marie, thank you so 100 stars. Yeah! Konnichiwa from Japan. Dang, this eye bag is really bothering me. How do I take that out? Can't wait for your show here in Bakersfield. Yep, we'll be back there in October. Yeah. Yes. That's right, guys. You guys want to move to the red? Is it okay if we move to the red app, guys? Buenos dias, señor. Si Miss B nasa labas. Nang tinawagan ko siya, I want to say she's getting her nails done. I think it's her pampering day. Yeah. Sir Crez. Jenilyn, watching from Hong Kong. Were you there, Jenilyn, nung pupunta kami ng Hong Kong? Kasi I'm gonna release part 3 of our Hong Kong trip. And yung mga na-meet namin, makikita. Yeah, let's go to the red. Guys, lipat tayo sa red app, ha? And sa mga KKK fans, Mr. Manggugulo kami sa'yo with Miss Coco. Kakatapos lang niya. Okay. Triple page. Yun. Sige, lipat tayo sa red app, ha? Red app. If you got, thank you sa 45 stars. Sino ba yan? Mike Castro. Alright. Lipat tayo sa red app. If you don't know what the red app is, it's YouTube. See you guys on YouTube. Bye.